Hey everybody, it's Yanni.
And someone else.
And we're the Nut Squad. Yep.
Yeah.
It's been a while since we've done that intro, and today we're playing Brawlhalla.
Not
You guys
really.
should get this game. It's fun. And it's free. And we're playing as the same character because we thought it'd be interesting. We played a couple rounds before this because she's never played this before, and I'm maybe, kind of, sort of, maybe not addicted to this game.
3,
If that
2,
makes sense.
1, brawl!
Get ready.
Alrighty.
Nope.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope. Son.
No! 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 No!
Oh my god, dude, get big wrecked.
You get big red. Nope.
Dude, you're -3 from that. You don't ever.
No. Nope. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is great.
Yes. No. Hit the wall. Oh, by the way, guys, if you played Super Smash Bros, it plays like that. Except it's not laggy.
Oh my god.
Bounced you like a bouncy ball. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. Stop. Stop. Stop it. Stop! I was turning down the sound for the video! I hate you. She's a cheater, guys. Do you see her? Do you see how Queen Tem is? She abuses.
She abuses me too emotionally.
Ow. Yeah, and that's how I abuse you emotionally. Because you cry about
Exactly.
losing. Oh!
Wait, what? I did not. Wait, by not losing?
I said, yeah, that's how I emotionally abuse you. I make you cry about you losing. God, no! Stop. Stop it!
Why would you tell me to stop it? It's a freaking fighting game. Why would I stop?
I don't know. No! No! This is not my main.
You don't have a main.
I do, but she's not. I don't know, I guess they change like every week or something. I don't know, because last time I played they had different people as a selection here.
Since when did you even have this?
I've had it for like 2 weeks now.
You never told me about
I
it?
did, and you didn't.
Until
download
now?
it. I did, and you didn't download it.
I didn't.
I was like, get Brawlhalla, and you're like, okay.
Oh, crap! What the frick was that? Oh.
Oh, I thought you No! Come on! Okay, yeah, you're definitely better as than I am. No!
Never! Yes!
Oh, jeez.
Fight me, mate!
That's what we're doing!
Inhaling.
Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, no, 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 no. No! No!
Nope, 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 nope. Caw, caw, no!
Yes! Yes! Making a comeback with 7 seconds.
5, 4,
No!
3,
No, no, no!
2,
No!
1.
That was the most epic
Player
pose! Oh my
one
god.
wins.
Okay, at least I'm getting gold. Wait. I have to sneeze? Okay. So, let's see who I'm gonna pick this time. I'll try her.
Scarlet.
She's pretty cool looking, but my main would definitely be Val if I wasn't broke, because I only have 1,000 and she's 5,000, so it would take many rounds of this game to unlock Val. So let's see who wins. Yeah! This one's difficult because it's so small. So
Aren't they all very small? Oh, okay.
3, 2,
This is
1,
what you meant.
brawl.
Fight me, mate!
ooh, that one. Oh god. I don't like this. God, she's difficult. She's strange. I mean, sometimes people like oddly far away.
Oh, pfft. Did you press F?
What? Oh. Oh gosh, no. Stop.
I'm pushing you off.
Okay, this round is just gonna go on forever.
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, I mean, for the 2 minutes we have remaining. Yeah. No.
Oh! Yeah!
Yes! Everybody, I got revenge.
Who cared?
I'm better with that one. Oh my god, no! Yes! Yanni takes the lead.
Well, ain't you just so full of yourself?
Bro, you were just boasting about yourself last round. Nope. Nope.
What? Marathon much?
Nope, nope, nope. Oh. Oh my god, come on, come on, come on, come on. No. Oh my gosh. I'm freaking out. Tem's silent, she's so focused.
Yeah!
Yes!
I pressed the F!
It sounds like you're saying F.
I did say F.
Yeah, but you're supposed to press S to freeze through. Aren't you?
What?
You said F. It sounded like you said F. Like as in, Figgles.
Wait, what?
As in
No.
free, the first letter of free, sounds like you said that, not S.
Son?
Nope, nope, nope. Got it. No!
Nope. No! Back up!
Yes! No! No! Oh my god, I had a mini heart attack. No! No! Oh nut, no.
Bye, son!
Rip.
Oh, we're tied, we're tied.
Nope.
Yeah! This is so intense!
Down to the wire! Down to the wire! Down to the wire!
5, 4,
Yes!
3,
No, no, no!
2,
Yeah!
1. Sudden death.
Oh! Tiebreaker!
Oh!
No! No!
Player 1
I
wins.
hate this! I hate this new window update.
What? He You're blaming the window update?
Yeah, because it pressed the notification button. I don't know if the recording picked it up or not, but it kept pressing the notification button.
That's great.
How I want to be Val so bad. It already shows you selected on the side. Okay,
Orion.
okay. See, and since you voted that last time. Okay, so guys.
3, 2,
Hold on,
1.
let me check how much recording don't start. Okay, we're gonna record for about 5 more minutes.
Alright.
So this will be the final round. Oh my god. No, 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 no.
Nope.
Come on. Yes.
No, no,
Yes.
no. Oh.
Okay. Oh, jeez. Yes.
You sound like a constipated freaking seal. Stop it. Yes.
No.
Oh my god, no. Oh.
Stop doing.
I'm freaking sweating like crap, dude. Oh.
What? What?
Your own weapon freaking backfired on you.
We're not the weapons off yet. Oh, this is all.
Oh my god, I hate it when people do that. I hate that so much. It's a freaking pet peeve. Oh my god.
Oh, yes! Bringing it back. Bringing it back. We're so
It's
sad.
so intense.
Yeah, we're so funny. Okay. No, 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 no. Don't. Stop. No! Stop! No! Oh, thanks. You knocked me back onto the platform.
You're welcome, I guess.
I lost. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Don't fail me now. Don't. And guys, watching this video, just letting you know that we will have some guest stars playing this with us in the future.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh no!
No! You guys saw that bullcrap, right? She hit the wall.
No!
Oh, I still get the points, I think. I don't? Oh well, you have -6. So I guess you lose 3 when you die, and you gain 1 when you kill. 8 seconds, come on.
5,
If you kill me.
3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Player
Okay.
2 wins.
Okay. Thank you. you guys for watching this video. You have anything to say, Tim?
No.
Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. We will see you guys next time. Bye.